Hello guys, thank you for joining me. This is Roy Machingora. Welcome back to Big Value, your channel for pre-market analysis. This week we'll only be covering the Euro USD, and I think this will be the pattern for this coming month. If I find time, then I'm gonna get on the USDs and the pound yen pair. This week we're going to cover the weekly, and the daily analysis. If you want to watch the monthly analysis, just click on the link above. We'll be directed to the video with the monthly analysis. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into our analysis. So on this pair, what we can notice that we have a double top, and then we can also notice that the price, after forming this downward movement, corrected to the upside, right, then pushed down and made a higher high, then made a higher low, and then came and made a lower high, and now it came to that low again, right? So what I'm expecting is a situation where initially I want to regard this as our accumulation phase, right, where the price is going to be consolidating between these two levels, so that these two levels, or between 1.16042 and 1.22595. So I'm expecting that the price is going to be ranging between these levels, right, until it finally breaks to the downside. Or after this consolidation, the price will then break to the upside. Like, I'm looking at it from the perspective that we have a consolidation area, and that consolidation area, I'm treating it as an accumulation zone, right? So I'll be expecting the price to move initially to the downside because of the presence of this double top. Now, if we get into our in-depth analysis, we can notice that this is a double bottom, right? So what I'm expecting is now that the price is going to break below this neckline of the M pattern. And if it does that, we'll be expecting it to push back, right, before moving all the way to the downside, maybe coming and testing 1.2891. Alternatively, what can arise is a situation where the price fails to break this neckline and then is reversed, then breaking above this trend line that we have seen. So this would mean that this would have been a fake out, then push back to test this high and forming a higher low, since it would have broken that structure, above that structure, maybe pointed by 1.18688. And if that holds, then we'll be expecting it to push to 1.22595. So these are the movements that we're expecting on the weekly chart. Now we move on to the daily charts. So we have this double top, and also we have the neckline, right? What this means is that if this bearish move is going to continue, or if there's going to be reversal, like this reversal is going to be successful, we're expecting the price to break this neckline, retest it, and then break 1.16042, retest it, and move to the downside. This is the bearish side. Then now on the bullish side, what we'll be expecting is that when the price reaches here, it's going to fail to break this neckline of the same pattern and then reject it off, forming and also form a higher low, which means that it would have broken above this structure, which is marked by 1.18688, right? Pull back to retest it, moving to the upside to 1.22595. So in this case, we are going to be regarding this as a false break. So this would have been a false break of this trend line. And also we can notice that there has been efficiencies here, right, which were covered. So we'll be expecting the price to cover this inefficiency in the process, and also this one created. So we'll be expecting the price to cover these inefficiencies and then move maybe to come at 1.2295. So these are the movements that we'll be expecting on the Euro USD pair. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. It has been a pleasure having you here. So just let me know where you think the price will be heading this coming week, and which preparations we should take also with regard to those directions that you think. I'm learning a lot about smart money concepts and the Wyckoff method. So I won't be having time to do the 3 videos because I feel that it's something that interested me, that I felt that I should master that concept. And then once I master that, I'll then get back to doing the 3 analysis. And I think I'll be now looking at it from the perspective of smart money concepts, not the way that we are doing it now. As soon as I get proficient in it, then I'll be applying it on our analysis. That leads me to say, manage your risk well, grind the markets with great Roy Machinga out.